What's up, YouTube? Hope you guys are having a swell day. My name is Gary, and I'm a business owner with an accounting background. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to build your wealth with these 5 steps. Step 1. Spend less than what you earn. This is the most important and basic step to building your wealth. I know it sounds so simple, but believe it or not, a lot of people can't even do this basic step. And the reason because probably people want to go out, buy the newest cars, newest handbags, they want Louis Vuitton belts, brand name things, going out drinking every weekend, and etc. So you gotta have the mental discipline to be able to spend less than what you make, because you can't even do this simple step. It's gonna be very hard to build your wealth. What I've been doing the past 10 years to help keep track of my spending is I've been using a monthly income statement. What is an income statement? Well, glad you asked. And monthly income statement is literally a document that has all your monthly income minus all your monthly expenses, which equals to your net income or net loss. I will include a free income statement for you guys to use that I personally made and still use in the link down below. You can click it right there. Step number 2, do not have your money sitting in the bank. Invest it. If you do have money sitting in your bank, then you are losing money. The inflation rate every year is around 1.5 to 2%, while the bank's interest rates are only at a national average of 0.06%, which means you are losing money every single year. And it's better to use that money to invest it somewhere else to make you that money and keep up with the inflation rate and exceed it. My personal favorite automated investment apps are Acorns, Stash, and Robinhood. I have a weekly contribution to those apps towards specific ETFs, mutual funds, and stocks every single week. And it has been getting good gains for the past few years. It's also never too late to invest, and it's better late than never. If you would like some free stocks, feel free to use my download link down below in the comment section. If you can invest in your company's 401k, do it, especially if they match dollar for dollar. It will also lower your taxes, considering that your 401k deductions will be taken out pre-taxed. So you're gonna have a lower taxable amount of income. My personal recommendation for investing is set up a Roth IRA account, because it's gonna be pretty much tax-free gains when you're eligible to take out money when you get older. And my personal selections from Roth IRA is to invest in some ETFs called TQQQ and also QQQQ. QQQQ or QQQ. It's one of the Qs. It's out 3 or 4 Qs, one of those. These ETFs are really great. They've been pretty much doubling almost every single year since its inception. Step 3, cut down on unnecessary costs and spend your money more wisely. What I mean by that is to stop spending on things that you don't need. Like, instead of buying that new car, buy a used one for half the price or probably even cheaper, and it still serves the same purpose. Instead of going out to eat all the time, how about, make some meals at home, and it'll be probably healthier as well. Instead of going to the movie theaters, you can watch, just do Netflix and chill at home. And there's a bunch of other things you can do. I spent my money frugally for the longest time until I met my wife. I'm not saying to stop enjoying your life, but what I am saying is just to spend your money more wisely. Just ask yourself before you buy that $500 product, ask yourself, is this going to bring me joy? Or would it be better and more, better used if I invest this $500 for my future? Step number 4, create multiple income streams / side hustles. There's only so many ways that you can cut costs, because of the fact that eventually we can't live without a roof over our heads, which is rent or mortgage. We always have to feed ourselves, food costs. And 3, we need transportation, get from point A to point B, probably at least to our jobs. But there is no limit on how much you can make. Start creating your second or third streams of income just simply by getting a part-time job. Whether it's being an Uber or a Lyft driver, or being a delivery courier, or you can teach English online, start your own business. That's even better. Once you have a decent amount of cash flow, you want to start focusing on the cash flows that produce passive income. And what I mean by passive is that you make money without actually physically putting in the effort or time. And that passive income is what's going to set you financially free. You eventually want to build that foundation for passive income because that's what's going to set you financially free. It's great if you love what you do, if you love your job and you're getting paid for it. But if you wake up every Monday and you don't feel that way, you don't feel the passion, you don't feel happy, it doesn't bring you joy, then you don't want to keep working until you're 65 because you're 65. Money is time and time is money. But the only difference is that you can always make more money, but you can never make more time, which is why time is the most valuable asset we all have. So we all have the same time every day, 24 hours in a day. So use it wisely. Step number 5, surround yourself with good people. What I mean by that is surround yourself with people that's gonna bring you up and that brings value to your life that you can learn from and grow together. Instead of surrounding yourself with people, toxic people that may drag you down and that secretly want you to fail. You might be thinking, Gary, what does this have to do with money and building wealth? When you surround yourself with people who support you, help you grow, and also better themselves, it changes your mindset. Like if you don't even have the mindset, goals, or mental discipline, you're not gonna be able to build that wealth. That's why it's important to surround yourself with people who actually better themselves and also better you and want to see you succeed in life, and they help you along the way and support you. So start spending time with the right people with positive energy who support you 100%, no matter if you fail or succeed, and especially who are genuine with you. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Wherever you are in your financial journey, I hope this video helps. And I try to be 100% honest and genuine in my videos based on my own life experiences. If you enjoy watching this video, please hit that subscribe and like button down below. It would mean a lot to me for the YouTube algorithms. Please comment below on what financial or business topics you guys would like for me to cover in my next video. All right, thanks guys.